In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a document that someone shares with you, rename it, and save it to your Google Drive so that you can use it and make it work. There will be times where I will share a document with you that I want the class to do, but I want everybody to do their own copy, or I want groups to do their own copy, but I don't want to make a bunch of different copies. I will share the document in a way that only that you can view, but you cannot write on. You will need to make a copy so that you can do that. So the first thing, if I share something with you, you'll get an email in your Google Drive saying that I shared something with you. But then you can also go, if I tell you, you can go to your shared drive, which is shared with me, and you'll be able to see the things that are shared by owner. And I've pulled up someone who shares stuff with me quite frequently. And so I'm going to pull up one of the things she shared with me. And what this is going to show me is the document she showed me, but then I can see, do I have rights to edit it or not? This right here is going to tell me what I can do. Right now I can see it says view only, which means I cannot do anything other than look at it and see what is on it. Now I want to make a copy of this so it's mine. So all I need to do, if this view only button is on right here, is click on File and click Make a Copy. When I do that, I'm going to get this box. It says Copy of 4.1 Writing Assignment. I can leave it named that way, or I can choose to rename it. So I would probably do my initials and then put in the class, just so that when it gets turned back in, that whoever you're turning it back into will know where it goes and everything. So this would be saved for me. It's saved in my preferred fashion, which is the initials, the class, and the module and section number. You don't necessarily need the writing to support your opinion, but you can leave it because it's not going to hurt you anything. Now, the other thing is, if you've created folders, you can choose which folder you're going to put that in with that button right there. Right now, it'll go into Life Management. I'm not too worried, but I would really prefer, actually, let's change that to, let's see, there. I'm going to add a new folder by pushing collecting that button, and then I'm going to go in and go ahead and put English. That way it goes into the folder. I need 9. Goes into the folder I want it to go into right away. And if you've done folders, it'll pop up in there. And the folder went into, oh, well, that's okay. So it went into Life Management. Pretty much I need to be out of that so that I'm in Edge Object Shared folders. Okay, so I'm going to select that and clicked OK. So now you notice I have a new document. So the first thing I'm going to do, since I already have my own document, I'm going to close the original document out so I don't get confused about what's up there. Now I have renamed the file. I've got my copy. Now, if you pushed OK before you got the copy made, all you need to do is, just like renaming anything, you just click in this box up here once the document loads. You'll click in this box and you just go ahead and change the name once it loads. So now you can go ahead and change the name and put whatever you want in. And then once you click out of it, it will go ahead and save, and then always you can check this and see that it's been saved. Now it's your document. You can actually type in it. So now you can type in it and do whatever you need to do to the document. So that is how you make a copy, rename, and save your Google Doc.